Hello and welcome to the first official episode of my series, my new series, Hustle and Motivate with Ghetto Exodus. So yesterday I learned big lesson in regret, in love, and in wealth. So today, starting today with this new series, I'll be putting in maximum effort. And as all the gurus, the experts, the multi-millionaires and billionaires say, we have to create a vision. Write down your goals, create a vision for the future, and start working on it, taking off little by little, each one at a time, and just keep moving forward and keep on learning. So what I did was I went on Meta AI. I asked Meta AI to create me a list of things to do to turn Ghetto Exodus into a real business, a real media company. So it gave me a list. So see over here, because are blowing. Would have done it indoors, but it's a little dark inside. I don't have perfect lighting, but this is the start. I'll put on a picture. Let it blow. I'll put it in the house somewhere, and when I have better lighting, I'll show it again. So I made this all of these boxes. Added two here by this list for this progress chart. It wasn't included in there. It's a registered company in oh create own studio. So this is the first day. I would like you guys to join me. It's just gonna blow away anyway, so I'll put it down. Yeah, this is the list, and one of the main reason I'm making the video is to push myself, to keep myself motivated, because I'm not like a self-motivated person. I need something to drive me, to push me to a certain goal. But I put up the list over here. So as you can see, there it says reach 25,000 followers on Facebook, reach 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, reach 10,000 followers on TikTok. But what's not on the list is build or create own studio and register company. These are things I'll need to be able to have my own successful media company. And I hope you guys click on the like button, click the follow button, and walk this journey with me. You guys can also learn something as I do it. This will not be an overnight success thing. This will not be like playing the lotto and just winning millions. This will be a long, hard journey, real life, where you can learn in real time. As I take each step, I will be. So this is the list. I made another one where I made like these blocks in there, where I can tick off each target, each target, one by one. Just that extra push. See that, like they say, stack the little wins to reach your goal, and each win counts. So this is how I'll be doing it, and I'll be posting a video documenting each step of the way. So you guys come along with the journey, come along for the journey, join me, become part of it, and be inspired. The series name is Hustle and Motivate. So I'm gonna hustle to motivate you, especially motivate the youth. Ghetto Exodus. Exodus means to leave or to escape. So I name the brand and I'll name the company Ghetto Exodus, which means ghetto escape, to escape the ghetto mindset and hopefully escape the ghetto physically, entirely. So once again, please click on the follow button. Join me on the journey and let's motivate. Let's hustle and motivate, inspire the youth, and reach for excellence. As youngster CPT says, aspire to inspire. That's what I'll be doing. I'll be trying to do what I will be doing, speaking prophetically, and hope you'll also be doing. Let's be the change we want to see in the world. I'll start by making a change in my personal life, helping others make changes in their lives, and ultimately change my community, change my people's mindset, behavior, and hopefully change the world. But all in Yeshua name, believing in the Most High. Hallelujah, Hosanna in the highest. I just have to put it in there because without the Most High, it's possible. Anyways, I'll take you in the next one. Stay tuned. Hey, look.